A lot of people don't have that natural urge. I sense that in people. They don't have the natural urge to get down to the actual nitty gritty. They usually have like a self-serving purpose, right? Or a people-pleasing purpose. But they often don't have a get down to the truth to help individuals purpose. And that's what I feel like I have. I want to make people actualize their ultimate potential as far as their wants in their carnal nature, as close as they can get it while being publicly acceptable.